Welcome everyone, how's it going? Another great video presentation on Cardano's price prediction for late March 2024. Another beautiful time, another great moment in the market where the movement is actually consolidating and looking forward to touch major levels above. We're going to talk about it for Cardano, which are the significant levels and what are the most important things that happened in the past couple of days, especially for the last 7 days. As you can see, we're in minus with 5.9%. The volume for the last 24 hours is just $378 million, which is definitely not one of the biggest ones out there. There's definitely a lot of the other cryptocurrencies that are above. Take a look at that, which are sitting on bigger volumes, let alone the fact that we're going through over a weekend right now. We're enjoying seeing the cryptocurrencies. First things first, folks, crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. We're looking into this and I'd like to share with you what's happening. Well, we have been correcting. It was a clear phase of a market retracement and it has completely corrected. We broke out of this correction, but before we doing the breakout, we found a major level and we have reacted promptly on that. And this is a really significant sign. It's the 200 days moving average reaction on a couple of times. It's actually 4 different times on 4-hour candlesticks we have reacted on 200 days moving average structure very nicely, which also supports basically the downtrending support line, the green line, holding the market structure. So we have been sort of a way confirming the low of the retracement, and then we broke out right there. The breakout has been consolidated and confirmed just a couple of hours ago with 4 different candlesticks of 4 hours. It's not really an hour ago, it's actually on 22nd of March, 22nd, 23rd of March, so it's definitely not just a couple of hours ago. Yet what is important is very recently we confirmed the breakout, which is having the first target basically above the high established on $750 billion for the market cap of this cryptocurrencies, right? So the movement right here should break the top established and that level on a minor scale and should basically continue with the price action above $750 billion, where things can accelerate and break out at the top quite easily in the upcoming days without any pressure or difficulties. So this is an overall approach. Now, before we get into the price prediction of Cardano, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. At the same time, if you feel inspired by trades, we have our BTC trade that we're still holding it. If you guys are following me, then you definitely know about it. It's $1.2 million right now in pure profits on this one. We have been longing this on 38 grand in the BTC on leverage and paid so far $69,000 in funding fees. So can you imagine basically the amount of money we are paying to the exchanges in funding fees? That's a lot of the money right there that we paid in fees so far. Now, you can definitely join my trades in a copy trading format without any prior fee, just a commission from the pure profits made, which is basically functioning quite simple. Everything is completely outsourced and it's done for you with API trading permission. But at the same time, we have basically the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is serious about this cryptocurrency world and would like to go for financial freedom. It's time to take this seriously and go for education that is preparing you for that, folks. We're going to talk about this one at the end. Now, it's the case with Cardano price prediction and technicals, and one thing that is extremely important is we're looking into the daily candlesticks here, right? So we're looking into a chart which speaks about a longer term situation. And another thing that I really enjoy speaking about it is that we actually established a significant trending resistance line from the previous top. Then we broke out. The breakout came with a lot of the volume and force towards the upside. We actually generated a pressure of 29% in 14 days. This is the result and the outcome of the breakout, especially pushing us into the 1.618 extension of the Fibonacci, from where we have been retracing significantly without trouble, without pressure, considering the fact that retracement was, we've been measuring that one in the past video as well. This is a significant value, folks, 29%. We actually faked below the support and quickly reconfirmed above. And what is important is yesterday and today we're actually confirming the rebalance above the support line It used to be our resistance, and then it has been transformed their role because we're trading above it, right? So we're confirming above, which is indicating that we're going to focus on the upcoming 2 encircled area as targets. Is basically the golden pocket at the top, which is between 72 and 73 cents. That's the first target that I would actually go from here with Cardano, which is actually a target for the upcoming days, and it's still sitting active as soon as we have been confirming above the support line of the trend. So it's definitely a breakout here and a complete retracement, a total denial, and right now we're trying to force the top again. 14% movement for the first target from here, and then the second target is going to have around 24-25% movement as what we're aiming to receive, to be facing, and to be achieving with. Definitely some of the difficulties could appear on the other top as well of the past, which means that, you know, a bit of a rejection here and then you basically take off, right? So you definitely must expect that volatility will take place, especially this is a level already with high volatility in place, and you cannot basically avoid certain situations where the market is making noises to take the highly leveraged people out. Now it's very important basically in the upcoming week to push and go basically for the golden pocket for the first target on 72.73. This is for the March, guys. This is not for the upcoming April and May. Considering the fact that we'll have the ability to speak about those levels as well, this is what I'm going to look forward afterwards, hitting that encircled area where I have a combination, a massive combinations of Fibonacci's. That's the level I'm pretty much careful, right? So it's close to the dollar mark for Cardano. Definitely a good deal from here to hunt for that, and it's something that I wouldn't really exclude for April and May. I will definitely go for that as soon as we get our structure established slow. It's very important now what we're establishing here, right? So now we got to construct slowly and build it up steadily, organically, with capacity to break out at some point with energy. You don't need right now basically a market situation which is just a speculatory side. You need an organic pump. You know that situation when you're constructing something, as things go naturally, they're usually really sustainable. So that's something that we also need in the current movement, not to produce a pump of 30-40% in a day, which will put a lot of the speculator on the great side, and it will make people to exit quickly and make some money on the board, and that generates selling pressure and so on. So definitely not that one the best thing right now, but most likely an organic and slow increase of 5 to 6, 7% daily would be a lot better to achieve 30% in 4 days than in a single day, guys. This is very important. That's it where we are with Cardano, folks. Have a great time. Enjoy this video. At the same moment, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and for those of you that would like to join my trades, you can definitely do so. You can definitely participate without any upfront fees, just the commission from the pure profits achieved, including basically the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is serious about this world and would like to dive into the space of professional trading. Then it's time, whether you do it part-time or full-time, to learn how to do this. One-on-one coaching program with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Take a look at that, folks, and enjoy yourself. We'll talk to you soon.